Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this video tutorial, we will continue our discussion on C++ programming. Our video tutorial for today is we will write a program to find the largest numerical value from three numbers in C++. Before we start, kindly click the like button, share these video tutorials, leave a comment in the comment section of these video tutorials, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. We are already here in our Div C++ IDE or Integrated Development Environment. So the first thing that I will do is to write the comment largest.cpp. This is the file name and then the extension of our program. CPP stands for C++. And then I will write my name as the author, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, comma .it, and then date. The date of this recording is October 12, 2019, Saturday, 2:15 p.m. Next, sharp include IO stream. Now, most of the time when we are working with C++, this is the most standard library file that we using, the sharp include IO stream. Input output streaming, this library file is very important for input output in basic statements in C++. Next, using namespace std, and then we have here int main, the starting function that the compiler will check when we check for syntax error, and then when we run our program. This is a function actually in C++. And then I will declare a series of variables. A equals 0, we initialize the variable to 0. B equals to 0, C equals to 0, and big, or the largest number, equals to 0. After we declare our series of variables, we will proceed with two new line. This \n is new line, so this is called escape sequence characters in C++. Console out, find the largest of three numbers in C++. This will be the title of our program. Console out, a new line, console out, enter horizontal tab, \t, enter three numbers, colon, semicolon to terminate, cn a, right shift operator b, and c. Okay, so here big, the variable a biggest number, no, and then we will have conditional statement. If big less than b, variable b, begin. If b greater than c, begin. Big equals b. Okay, else begin. Big equals c. After we have done, we have another conditional statement, else if big less than C, begin. If open parenthesis C greater than B, begin. Open and close parenthesis, big equals C. Else curly bracket, begin and end, big equals B. And else begin curly braces, open and close curly braces, big equals A. So you can have here the result already. To display the result, the biggest number is big. New line to new line. Console out. Backslash T end of program. That tells that the user that the program is terminated. Okay, after we have done, the next step that we will do is to save our work. Control S, and then we will create a new folder here. We will name the folder find the biggest. Number. Enter. Let's say the title of the file name is largest.cpp. The file name and then the extension .cpp. Click the save button. Okay, the next step is we check for syntax error. Compile. Save again. Compile. Okay, we don't have any errors now. Let us review first before we run our program. This is the series of variables that we declare. The title of our program, find the largest of three numbers. And then here the input, enter three numbers. So we have your variable A, B, and C. And then we declare big, and then we assign the variable A as the biggest, and then we have here a series of comparison of three variables, and then after which we display now the largest number here and end of program. Now let us run our program. Compile and run. Okay, so 5, 40, 12. So find the largest of three numbers in C++. This is the title of our program. Enter three numbers. In this example, 5, 40, and 12. So the largest should be 40. Enter. The largest number is 40, correct. But the problem is the formatting. So we can solve this problem by put some adjustment, spacing. Again, compile and run. Another example, let's say the third number is the highest, so 6, 7, and 9. So the biggest number is 9. Let's say the first number is the highest. 100, 20, 40. The biggest number is 100. So at the middle, the biggest number should be in the middle number. So 600, 1000, 400. The biggest number is 1000. Okay, so we are already done with our program. So this program video tutorial is we create a program that will evaluate which of the three given integer number by our user has a biggest numerical value using compounded if-else statement in C++. If you find this video tutorial useful, please click the like button, share this video tutorial to other social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and others, and leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial so that I can improve my future in upcoming video tutorials. I really appreciate guys your feedback, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials, not only in computer programming but also in information technology, software engineering, and about life. This is Jake from Pomperada. Until to the next video tutorial. Bye bye for now.